Hello everyone, you're welcome once again to my channel, and this is Afo Learning English. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, you can do yourself a favor by subscribing, clicking that red button to subscribe, as well as the notification button so that you can get notified anytime I drop a new video. So today our focus will be on these two sounds, and especially the words on the board. The words on the board. Students and learners and even general users of English language pronounce some of those words incorrectly, and this is why I'm doing this today. So we have these two sounds, the dental fricative sounds. Th, th, th. Now this is voiceless, and this one is the, which is voiced. They are almost pronounced the same way. The only difference is that this is voiceless and this is what? Voiced. And they are dental fricative sounds. That is, when you pronounce these two sounds, the upper teeth and the lower teeth makes contact with the tip of the tongue, with the tip of the tongue. Okay? So it is pronounced, this is pronounced as th, while this one is pronounced as the. Okay? So let's take a look at the words we have on the board and the proper and correct pronunciation of each of them. So this one is pronounced as south, south, okay, south. While this one is pronounced as north, north. We have the long haul, okay, north. So, but what about, and both of them are nouns, both of them are nouns, okay? So let's take a look at this one. So once you had E-R-N to each of them, E-R-N, both of them change to adjectives. They both change to adjectives. So how do you pronounce this one? I've heard students and even speakers of English language pronounce this one as southern, southern. This is very wrong. This is absolutely wrong. The correct pronunciation of this one is no longer southern. It is pronounced as southern, southern, southern. So the TH is no longer pronounced as it changes to what? The. The same thing goes for this one. Northern, 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 northern. Okay? So this one, the voiceless dental fricative here changes to the voiced. The. Northern and southern, southern.
3.
So let's continue with the differentiation between the voiceless dental fricative and the voiced dental fricatives. Students still make a whole lot of mistakes when it comes to differentiating between these two sounds as well as the words involved. So let's take a look at these almost similar words, but absolutely what? Different. Different first in pronunciation as well as word class as well as grammatical usage. Okay? So the proper pronunciation can guide students in making use of these words correctly. So we have all the words here are pronounced as voiceless dental fricative, which is pronounced as th, while the ones here are pronounced as voiced dental fricative, which is pronounced as the. Okay, so we have, and these ones are nouns, while these ones are verbs. These ones are nouns, while these ones are verbs, and they are pronounced differently. These ones are pronounced different from this. Okay, so we have bath, while this one is pronounced as bathe. We have breath, while this one is pronounced as breathe. We have cloth, while this one is pronounced as clothe. Then we have sheath, while this one is pronounced as sheath. We have wreath, while this one is pronounced as wreath. Then we have teeth, while this one is pronounced as teeth. Don't forget, all the words here are nouns, and they are realized as voiceless dental fricative, while all the words here are verbs, and they are realized as voiced dental fricative. I hope you've learned something today. Thanks for watching. Bye.